Today we're making chocolate chip oatmeal cream pies. We'll start off with 3/4 cup of brown sugar, a stick of butter, 1/3 cup of white sugar, and a tablespoon of molasses. We'll put all of these ingredients into a mixer for 3 minutes. Cut!
In the meantime, preheat the oven to 350.
Next, we'll do 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And 1 egg.
Three-quarters cup of oatmeal, 1 1/4 cup of flour, 3/4 cup of baking, or 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda. You're gonna take 1 teaspoon of vanilla sea salt, but any sea salt will work, but we use vanilla, more flavor. And then 2.5 teaspoons of cinnamon.
Once the mixing is fully done, you're gonna add 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. And then mix it.
Now we're gonna take scoops and then we're gonna roll them into balls. Now we're gonna put these in for 11 minutes at 350. Yeah, it's pretty hot. I'd definitely say it's 350. Well, these are now finished, so we're gonna take these out and let them cool off for 10 minutes. Now we're going to apply the frosting on the cookies and turn it into a sandwich. This looks really good, man. Alright. Look how good.